Alright, let me start the recording real quick. Alright, y'all. In this video, we got the time distortion debuff sorcerer build. Honestly, it's kind of insane. DPS you got is insane. The only negative side effect to it is the cooldowns, but I didn't stack cooldown reduction bonus. Probably could, but I'm not really worried about it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to watch my last videos. During the links are in the description down below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and yeah, peace out. Okay, so a little bit of backstory behind this video. So originally I made a first recording of it. I made a sorcerer kit. It was debuff duration, but for some reason I stacked knowledge since I wanted spellcasting speed. Even though the whole point of time distortion is that you can get no casting times. But anyways, I stacked knowledge, I played a game, and then I ended up dying. So I kind of made the kit, and that's where we kind of left off. Is I remade the kit, didn't stack spellcasting speed, just got up to that knowledge mark, and then yeah, you could see the that's kind of where we left off. Okay, so that last one was kind of a fluke. For some reason I stacked knowledge for spellcasting speed. This is after the patch, where they kind of changed all of the dungeons, so there's only trios and trios. But so hopefully there'll be more people in my lobby. I have a little bit more move speed. My health is still the same. 54% debuff duration and now 35% match power with HP. This is kind of the kit. Nothing too crazy actually. Nothing too crazy at all. I'm trying to save a lot more money because the marketplace is not working. But let's get back into it. Start with this new kit. Okay, I'm at 306 still. This thing. There we go. Alright. So if I look at it, oh, it's just 2%. I thought it was 5% move speed bonus. So 2% around, yeah, like 5 move speed bonus. That she's not bad. That's not terrible. I think I can work with that. We'll see. Oh my gosh, 2 gargoyles? Are you serious? And I got stabbed in the head. I'm already over the mobs, bro. I'm already over the mobs. Behind me. It's a fighter. Headshot. I don't even know why I charged that move up. Okay, well that's... Wait. Oh! Super cool thing now. Oh yeah, I only have to wait 19 seconds for my lightning orb, even though, technically speaking, it's 48-second cooldown because of Almost a Fury. Pretty sick. I'm gonna wait for it to get a little lower before I heal up more. Okay, here he is. I'm sniping with that. They can get a lot more active now, to be honest. Because I have so much more prop pot. Oh, I missed this so much. But I have -5 stacks, so... Oh my gosh. I will tell y'all, I miss having instacast so bad. Holy crap. The cast is definitely super duper fun. All addies on both of his pieces. Legendary longsword. All addies. It wasn't terrible. I mean, it's definitely like half piss, half piss. But I mean, yeah, wow. I will say, %. That does it reset after 5 stacks? No, it doesn't. To be honest, I didn't even really notice the stacks. Oh. Got a ranger here. I don't think he wants to fight though. He doesn't want to fight. I'm not gonna push anything because that's how I get caught out and die. Especially as a so squishy class. But having the instacast is so fun. Like just being able to choose your spell and cast it. I miss it a lot. Holy crap. That's kind of crazy. So I'll just do that. Cape is literally just a gemmed rare tattered glove. Probably gonna sell for like 80 gold. 100%. My gosh, it was almost so bad. If I actually didn't have debuff duration there, I probably would have died. I'm not gonna lie, if I didn't have debuff duration, I probably would have died in my own fire shot there. Kind of funny, to be honest. Also, another thing, you guys feel like it's a good idea for me to play with face cam on or face cam off? I feel like just playing the game, I should probably have my face cam off, but to be honest, I don't know, when I stream twitch.tv/SpongeTheFireman, I definitely put my face cam on. Alright, so I know y'all can't really understand what I'm saying, but what I was trying to say was, whenever I do stream, I have my face cam on, so it's a lot more like both the game and me oriented, but when it's just a YouTube video, I don't know if y'all want to just focus on the content or something like that. So let me know in the comments what y'all think. Stay off, and then have more focus on content, what I'm doing, stuff like that. Also, if there's anybody else to fight in this lobby, so down we go. Somebody's definitely been cleared. Somebody took boss. Active? I'm gonna instantly lightning bolt this guy. I need to watch my stacks. Good. What happened? Okay. What did I run into there? It was this back here. And those always mess me up. GG's. I ran into a wall. Oh. This cleric actually killed somebody pretty good. Fizz, true. Oh, double true fizz. Movement speed, gemmed. Movement speed. All addies, true. Yeah, I'm definitely picking that up. Don't know how that's gonna sell. Alright, realistically, a good use of our time would be to check Ghost King, make sure it's looted, obviously. Okay, it was looted. So, obviously it wasn't anything too crazy. Best use of my time is to loot pile. Transfer a unique, perchance. So far, pissed. You never know. Okay, rocket. Along with debuff duration, it actually comes a lot of buffs. Like, that cleric's judgment, if you hit me with that, it would have only lasted like 2 seconds. Smite, if I get hit with the smite hit, it's not gonna last very long. Although I'll probably die because if I hit the smite, I'm probably casting, which means I'm minus 2% move speed. Oh my gosh, wow. A unique. Move speed bonus on the gloves. That's not terrible, actually. I'll put it with the loot. Yeah, SK, bro. That survival's not terrible. Man. Not terrible, but I don't think I can pick it up. Also, survival bows itself are super cheap. Like a really good biz survival bow is like 150 gold. I'm definitely gonna start streaming more. I have to go to Boston for a week, so I'm gonna be out of town. But definitely, I'm gonna stream more when I do get back. Maybe I should put this on for the 50 luck. Gosh. Keep the ruby because it might actually sell. Keeping the tunic on, bro. This 50 luck is gonna give me that unique that I wanted. If you want armor rating, it's not bad. Ooh. All addies agility max health. And a legendary diamond? But not in the loot pile. See? This 50 luck, bro, is doing wonders right now, I'm trying to tell you. For those of you who don't know, Diamonds are really good right now because you can put all addies on legendary pieces. So they're sold for around 1,000 gold each. Last time I checked. Hopefully they haven't gone down because 1,000 gold, one pull is kind of insane. No. Alright, we got like one more. We got one more. One couple pop before I beat this. Then after this, we really gotta go. So, I did have true magic on it, but I just don't have the time. I think the legendary one with Dex might actually sell for more. Steel cloak. What else do we have? These are really good. Arcane gloves are not bad. That's it. I think I'll just leave with this. I'm happy with what I have. We need to go. Bad. Oh no! My tunic. Holy crap! I almost forgot it. Put it on, please. Okay. I'm just gonna go. Oh, I might be dead actually. Run! I saw a door open this way. Oh no. This just went from like kinda bad to terrible. And I'm gonna have the dog on me? I don't think I have enough interaction speed. I'm dead. I have died. No. No way. This is it, bruh. Wait, I'm out of clutch. I just need to run. Close the door. Need a portal. Stop. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. What a freaking clutch. I thought I was dead there. Thank goodness I made it out, bro. Thank goodness I made it out. Holy crap. What a clutch. I was going through the 10 stages of grief just then, bro. I'm trying to tell you. Definitely going through the 10 stages of grief. And also, the spider kit. That. Let's load back in. Alright, bet. Run another one. Let's get it. The door's already open. So we could be running into people immediately. Okay. I'm gonna follow the, oh. Let me kill this mob. Oh, that's awesome. You know about that insta-cast. Oh, hit him with 1 tick, hit him with 2 ticks, 3 ticks. Oh no. Holy crap. He's gotta be one somewhere. Play back. I have a lot of... I was about to say, I have a lot of area to get active here because I have so low stacks. Look at. Everybody talks about stacking cooldown, but when you're in a situation like this and it's 1v1s, like having Elemental Fury, I have 61% cooldown reduction. Like I have all my, like, so let's say I got third parties right now, all of my abilities are back. I would be able to lock back in and fight another person. This guy was kind of geared. Take the adventure boots though. Else? I don't know, to be honest. You think just circle room? Right here. Yeah, those are barbarian. Oh, I have to go down. I just don't have enough DPS to kill a barbarian. I have so much HP. If I knew he didn't have Iron Will, I would have cast a little bit more, but I already had 5 stacks. How much? Yeah, I was minus 30% action speed. Well, not exactly. Have around 50 or 5%. But, yep. Still. Hold on. That before I go to the next raid. Definitely scary though. I wish I could have killed him. I probably got really close to. If I hit that fire orb, I probably would have killed him. But maybe myself as well. If I had more space to cook there, I definitely would have fought that. But I had nowhere to go, so my best option is to just go down and lose the kit. Will somebody take the boss? Oh my gosh. I got headshot. That guy's... They just had it all. Nice. No, I just like he hit me so hard in the beginning of the fight. I had no opportunity, bro. Dang it, he was geared. He was geared too. This guy was geared too. All these people are actually geared. I shouldn't have used my golem right there. I was trying to golem him out, but I was trying to get the heal off. I should have just golemed first. No. All right, let me make another kit. See if I can do it. And now with enough. When building a debuff duration kit, a time distortion kit, don't really need to worry about obviously spell case speed at all. Just worry about health, memory capacity, magical power. That's all you need to worry about. Active speed, not really a crazy thing to worry about, especially because if you're running time distortion and using a spell book, you're not really going to notice unless you get to 5 stacks, and then it's going to start hitting. But get this one, and I'm going to jam it for true. Be it. Definitely good move speed. Okay. 29% is not good, but I'll help that. The choker will help. I'm good on move speed, and I just need memory capacity, health. Magical power. Actually, really up my health is my stash. More move speed, which I don't need. It gives me memory capacity. Oh, what the frick is this? Max rolls on everything. 114. Fine, right there. That's it. Okay, and then that's the kid. Now I just have to buy everything else. So let's see how that's gonna go. To be honest, would I run this build if I wasn't? Probably not, because obviously cooldown time do that so I can get all my souls back, honestly. Yep, locked in. What I'm seeing, guys? This is the same guy who I fought earlier. Holy shit, he's him. My god. Breaks off. He's definitely geared though. I want to fight. Rock pop. Oh my gosh, he's him. Oh no. You ain't getting out of here, boy. You're fighting me. He's running? After all that, you're running? Wow, bruh. Thought you was standing on business. Look like you ain't standing on nothing. Jason, get his ass. Gonna do all that and run? Boy. Coming for you. Escaping me. I actually have barely low meds. What? Locking. Crap, he's dead. It's kind of funny. Laddie. He was a farmer. Portal. That guy. I'll take the movie, so we're probably not the one, but I'll take. Oh my gosh, I didn't even let that guy play. Lucky. Single time insertion, you get DPS out so much quicker. Actually staying. Fight me, boy. What the frick is he doing? Fighting somebody? This guy, oh. This guy's the most geeked out SORC I've ever seen in my life. Alright, let's get active. That's what it gets for being. That's what it gets for being geeked out. GG's, bro. Yes, it does curve. That's a crazy name. Speed bonus on that. That's gemmable. Let's see. Nothing else really too crazy. Based on how he was acting, I don't think anybody took boss, but we can check. Oh, bro. Bro, do you want to fight? I don't think this rogue wants to fight. Gotta fight. Yeah. Oh yeah, you. Not that either. GG's, bro. How much money I'd actually be down? Well played, you stand on business, lol. Oh. He's being mean. Thank you. Love a nice dark and darker person, bro. Thank goodness. Didn't expect the golem block. Yep. What can I say, y'all? I'm next level. Terrible glaze, actually. Hey, you want to see a little bit of tech? I'm right next to the boss room. Like, for me, oh. Come here, mother trucker. Fight or we're gonna fight? Oh, back here, boy. Forgot he was like. Frick you. I'm here, ho! I'm here! I'm here! You thought you was getting away. Nah, bro, I'm here. I am here, bro. You are not getting away from me. Look at this W golem placement. Oh, he's pissed. What the frick? Hey. Why wouldn't this guy want to fight? You don't comprehendo. Whole time running. Just joking, calm down. Oh! I'm gonna ask bro if he could please take a back. That was not toxicity. If I could grab this, that'd be great. I don't know. It's so time consuming. Who? Hey, they trapped. Hey, they trapped. Oh yeah, they trapped that big dude in there. Anyways, oh, that guy's hideous. Crazy. Got a max agility rollout. Let me hold that. Let me hold that, please. This, but it ain't gonna last forever. Told you. very friendly when you were sitting in that corner. Oh shit. Who's that? You were very friendly when you were sitting in that corner. Now were you? Yeah. That was gonna be my next move. For anybody that was wondering. Man. Donate the player. Dude, if I could stop casting spells. I was friendly. The barb at stairs won't let me through. How long does air blast take to cast? Hey, wait, why are there too many people? Why? Okay, so I guess there's a barbarian on the stairs. Okay, this is like so hard to keep up. There's like 2 people talking to me right now, and I have no idea why. Honestly, I'm getting a little bit overwhelmed. Like I just don't really feel like I can like handle all this like attention. Like, I'm actually gonna get the rock out. Wait. Oh, bro. Bro, can you help me find a portal, bro? Bro, I've been looking for a portal all freaking day, bro. I deadass can't find one. And I keep trying, and it's like, I can't. Y'all peep this. If I get this portal, y'all gotta like and subscribe. Just go. Yes, bro. Let's go. I'll also stream out over at twitch.tv/punchoutapieman. And like and subscribe, bro. I ain't playing with you, yo. I ain't playing with you, yo.